DLO now, first thing I want you to understand is that's for the last ones.
The last one.
The last ones.
Nice.
Yeah, we
Take pride.
everybody here's a good rider, but we like to ride at our pace, not at the pace they push us at.
I see we're 27 miles in and you guys are already taking it easy, so so you very well may be the last ones.
we probably, well, we make a point of sending one back. We send one back every day, so that, you know, he has to come in last.
Yeah, nice.
That's the way it works best.
Well, tell me about your bus here.
Well, that bus is a 1987 GMC. We've had it since the year 2000.
One new engine?
One new engine, yeah, over the course of time. Really, it's just a school bus. It's just a school bus. There's nothing fancy about our bus.
I like the old school door opener though. That's a nice touch.
Hey,
I see you're walking off with the official signage. And
that's been here a day or two.
You're the last one, so you can do that.
That's right. But these guys have been with us for a number of trips also. Some are no longer cycling, but they're still with us.
Nice. What's up?
Love the videos.
Thanks. Have you seen them?
I have, yes.
Nice.
Yeah. This is our, we can put 25 bikes up on top.
25, nice.
25 bikes. And the deck here handles our,
you got beer in both coolers?
no, water in that cooler, beer in this cooler. We make a point of, we give these out. Anybody that comes to our bus with one of these gets whatever they want.
Well, now
water,
I need a koozie.
Well, then we'll get you a koozie.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Maybe
check.
I need a koozie.
I'm gonna check out the top. So you got 25 bikes you can fit up here. Speakers, nice. All right, so you're gifting us an official DLO koozie.
Yes.
I love it.
This is my better half.
Oh, nice. How's it going? Nice to meet you.
I'm the I'm the bus cleaner.
The bus cleaner. That's the most important job.
I do all the cleaning of the bus and everything before
When she has
come.
time. She's ridden 6,500 miles already this year. So.
Wow,
And
nice.
I paint the red trim every year, so it keeps it looking nice. So.
Man, you need to come do that on my bus. So where are you guys from?
Well, I'm from Southern Illinois, down by St. Louis.
Okay.
But my riders, there's Chicago in here, and there's Cali. Yeah.
Nice.
We have people from South Africa.
South Africa.
We have a
Nice.
guy from Iran.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It's a very diverse team, the last one.
Yeah, it is.
Team, y'all actually have the legit Team DLO license plate. I like that.